The following is a demonstration on installing duration shingles. Here are the things you'll need to complete this installation. Make sure to install all shingles on a properly prepared deck that is dry and covered with a deck material that is in compliance with the manufacturer's requirements and local building codes. Install starter strip shingles across the eave, removing 6 inches off the first piece. Install with 5 fasteners in each starter strip shingle, 2 to 3 inches up from the eave. Apply the first course starting with the full shingle, even with the starter course, making sure the shingle is flush with the rake edge and the eave. Place fasteners in the sure nail strip. For a standard nailing pattern, place 4 fasteners 1 inch and 12 inches in from each side. For steep slope roofs, use 6 fasteners, 1 nail 1 inch in from each side, and 2 nails roughly 12 inches from one side and 2 nails roughly 12 inches from the other side. If a book has been pre-cut, continue to install the remaining pieces of the book flush with the rake edge. If a book has not been pre-cut, continue to install shingles in a stair-step pattern with a 6.5 inch offset between courses. After the first piece has been installed in each course, complete the course using full shingles. For steep slope application, use 6 nails and 4 1-inch spots of ASTMD 4586 roofing cement equally spaced under the shingle.